Welcome to our demo. Today we're showcasing Exante platform and how it can deliver value to your team. Over here we have a demo account for the NextGen company. NextGen has decided to use Exante to organize all of their contracts, and so far they've uploaded 5 distinct contracts. First of all, I want to cover this table. The table summarizes all of the contracts that you've uploaded and that are now centralized within the Exante platform, providing a single source of truth for NextGen's contract agreements. The cool thing about the table is that it summarizes all of the key information about the contract. This removes the need for NextGen to manually go through each contract and tabulate them in a one-off repository that they might create in a tool like Excel. We do that automatically and expose it to you directly on this table. NextGen has decided that the key information that they always want to have visibility on are the parties, when do contracts start, when do they end, what their annual value is, what are the payment terms that have been agreed, and what dates do they need to keep track of for renewals. You can then use the filtering abilities to very quickly navigate these contracts. So in today's demo, we only have 5 contracts, but this works as well for 1, 10, 100, or thousands of contracts. You can use simple searches, simple filters like date filters to understand and have visibility on what contracts started in 2024, for example. You could also look specifically at contracts of a minimum value. So let's say we wanted to look at all of the contracts over 100K. Very quickly, we see the information being filtered in front of our eyes. Another cool thing is the text filter. You can search any text within this table directly through the search bar. So if I wanted to look at service agreements in Spanish, I would simply type Spanish. Now, what's even cooler is that if you type text, you can look directly into all of your contracts text. So if we wanted to look at contrato, which is something that might be stipulated in both Portuguese and Spanish language agreements, we could search directly into the contract text through this search bar and filter the contracts that have this. This is incredibly valuable when you're looking for specific language across your entire portfolio of contracts. If you're looking for a specific insurance clause, if you're looking for a specific term, and you want to understand to whom you gave those terms. Very quick and easy, you get access to it through the search bar. Finally, in order to control who has access to what contracts without replicating contracts across the board, we offer you the ability to create different teams. In this example, you'll notice that we have 2 teams, the legal team and the finance team. You can see very quickly what contracts are in the legal team organization and which contracts are in the finance team organization. You can add different people within each team. Thus, only the people that have access to the finance team will see these contracts, and only the people that have access to the legal team will see these contracts. You, as a super admin, would have access to all of the contracts across your portfolio. You can also delineate who has access to what within each team. Well, with that, we're going to conclude this first part of the overview page of the Exante platform. Please join us for the next video where we will cover the detailed view on each contract. Thank you.